my channel. Today is the Jaclyn Hill Morphe eyeshadow palette challenge number 8. Yes, it's number 8. 2 more to go. Yeah, I mean, not really title, but I feel like I'm doing pretty good on this track. I hope more people can watch it someday, probably. Anyways, so this is look number 8, and this is the one I come up with. It looks very camouflage and duochrome or beetle eyeshadow look. I like it pretty well. It's nothing very complicated. You can just finish this look within good 20 minutes the most. I would say that. If you use eyeshadow palette every day, I would say it's not that difficult to accomplish. So if you ever wonder how I achieve this look, just keep on watching. Alright, so now let's start from the beginning and I will show you guys how did I achieve this camouflage look. Yes. So I was browsing online looking for makeup inspiration, and then I saw a picture of this girl. She has a makeup look kind of look like this, and then she said she used a Jaclyn Hill palette. I was like, no way, because obviously you can tell it's like a duochrome kind of color. If you guys know, Wet n Wild has this like really famous, just like famous eyeshadow palette. It's called a Comfort Zone. It's like only 8 colors, but one of them is like duochrome, like this kind of color. So you can see it's kind of like mermaidy. Yeah, it has duochrome of brown, reddish brown, and then this blue one. So first instantly it reminded me of this color. I was like, she gotta use this kind of color, and obviously her palette, Jaclyn's palette, doesn't have those kind of color. Then I was wondering how did she achieve that. So I took a very close look at this eyeshadow palette for a certain time and then I realized, oh okay, so first you're gonna like lay this dark reddish color underneath your eyelid for the first layer, and then you pat on this foil kind of color on top of it. Then you kind of like create this duochrome color by yourself. And I was like, aha, okay, that's funny, because there's no way I would have come up with this idea, but obviously it's very genius. So I figured I should share with you guys this look, because I really like this duochrome look. I was actually thinking to do a makeup using all the Wet n Wild makeups, but that will be next video. And this one, let's just stay with this look and I'll show you guys how did I achieve it. I really like it. Well, even though recently the cut crease is really popular and I'm so obsessed with it as well, I feel like it's very satisfying my OCD problem. I'm not sure if I'm really one, but you know, cut crease is really like, okay, we're gonna strictly divide the line between, okay, this is all this color, that is all that color, yay. But this is more like a blend together, but still I really like it, and it's way easier than the cut crease, but being easy and less complicated doesn't mean it's not good. So yeah, without further ado, let's jump in and I will show you guys how did I do it. As usual, the palette. So the main 2 color I use for this look is this one, Jazz, and then Diva. I really like this color. It's like gray undertone glitter green color. I don't know, too much description. Anyways, so you want to start in the middle and then move your way out. One of the biggest reason I really like this eyeshadow palette is the color is really easy to blend and smudge and do whatever you wanted to and will achieve. Let's deepen up. So usually when I lay the glitter at the crease area, I don't really fill in the gap earlier, but this one you do want to pat enough underneath, so then it'll create the duochrome look. Really get in there. Promise it's gonna be the fastest one among all my tutorial. Okay, so now let's use the brush first. For this look, I don't really want the glitter to be so jump out. That's why I didn't use a finger, but the center of it, I'm gonna dab full party and really just yank it down so you will see what I mean, like this. And then after this, you use a detail brush to fill up the gap. Okay, then it's the second layer. So then this little dash of green is really jump out and your eye will look more dimensional. So coming up next, I'm gonna use a brown eyeliner instead of black one because I feel like that makes it better blending with everything else. So now let's put on the false eyelashes. My memory card was full earlier, so I have to upload some videos to my big hard drive, and then coming back again, the light might be different, but we're good. So now we're gonna use this one to make it a little blue, and now we're gonna use this one to brighten the front. By the way. So now let's check the end. So we're gonna use a little bit Enchanted to darken the wing. Okay, a little bit OCD. I think this one needs to be more clean. So as usual, we're just gonna use a little bit of the Tarte Shape Tape. Now let's wipe off the excessive powder. Okay. And as usual, that's the step, is to brighten the brow bone. Now you have it! Voila! It's all finished. I think it's pretty fast than usual time if you use other eyeshadow palette to blend everything. It's just like, they blend very well. So now you have it, the very camouflage dual chrome look on your eyes. Yeah, I think this one is not too crazy. I think you can still rock it with your daily life, and I think your husband will still kind of understand what's going on instead of like, where are you going? Yeah, so now you have it, and I like it. I feel like some sort of bug. You know, that kind of bug with the shell, it looks very duochrome. Is it beetle? Yeah, it might be beetle. Anyways, so this is the look for today. I hope you guys will like it. If you do, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe my channel. And I still have 2 more look challenge with this eyeshadow palette. God knows what kind of look I will come up with. But yeah, keep on watching and staying tuned. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye! Mwah.